All right. So here the formulas are given for you already. We're just going to use this one. We are not finding the values yet. We're going to learn it how to do it next class. But today you need to learn how to write them down. If the log is given, you can convert it using this equation. And if the exponential is given, you can rewrite it using the log equation. And they're just vice versa. And we're going to learn how to find the values when we move on to next class. So here, when I work on this type of problem, what I always do, for my convenience, I just write down what is my b value, what is my x value, my y value. So I can see it properly. It's a lot of things to keep track. I just try to avoid those. So my b value over here is going to be 2. X value is going to be 16. Y value is going to be 4. Now the formula is given. B to the power y is going to be equal to x. I just need to plug in the values. That's it. I'm done. So it's going to be 2 to the power 4 is going to be equal to 16. We good? Great. Any question? This is pretty straightforward. There is nothing complicated over here. Let's look at B. Now I don't have any base. What should I do?
Assume it's 10.
Base should be 10. For log function, 10 is the universal base, is the standard base. If you are missing a base, you're going to put a 10 base. So I can rewrite this one. Log 10 base 0.01 is going to be equal to negative 2. Question? What is my b value over here? X. X. Y. And the formula is b to the power y is going to be equal to x. We just plug in everything. Boom, we're done. If you look at it closely, technically these are actually the values. So 2 to the power 4 is technically giving you 16. That's the answer. And 10 to the power negative 2, 1 over 10 squared, which is 1 over 100, which is 0.01. So these are actually your value. Now over here we need to break it down. So ln 1 over e. How can I make it as a power? Negative 1. So e to the power negative 1 is going to be equal to negative 1. So what's my b x y? Base is going to be e, x is going to be, and y is going to be equal to negative 1. So b to the power y is going to be equal to x. So b value is e to the power negative 1 is going to be equal to negative 1. Technically this is going to be a formula that we're going to use a lot. Ln e cancels each other, it becomes a 1, so the only thing left is negative 1. We're going to talk about it more when we work on how to evaluate the functions. There will be multiple properties that we're going to use. We're going to talk about it more. Look at D over here. Tell me, do it by yourself. We're going to check it together. I'm giving you 20 seconds. It should be quick. Done? Jason, tell me, what can I do over here? What's my b value? So far, what are we doing? Are you sure? What's the B value? Someone else? And what is the X value? Y value? So B to the power Y is going to be equal to X. So 3 to the power 81 is going to be equal to 4. Thank you. Okay. Let's look at the next problems. These are the opposite of it. Just the opposite. This is given and you are converting into log. That's the only thing you are doing. You are not, it's no rocket science at all. So again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find what is the B value, X value and Y value, and then we're just going to convert it into log function. So what is my B value over here? And then what is my X value? What is my X value? This is my formula. B to the power Y is going to be equal to X. So this is B, this is Y, this is X. Thank you. And what is my Y value? So good to know. Okay, give me the log function.
Equals 2.
We good? Great. Do F, G, and H by yourself. I'm giving you 1 minute. Should be enough. More than enough. Okay. Yeah. F. F. Huh? What is the base? What is the base? What is the B value? What is the B value? No, I'm talking to someone, please. Don't interrupt. And what is the X value? 1/4. What is the Y value? -1. So my formula is log B base. So what is my B now? We're just matching with this one. We're just plugging all the values. Now my B value is? Let him talk, please. So that goes over here. Now X goes over here. What is my X value? All right. Thank you. All right. G. Yeah. All right. Go ahead. Give me H.
Log base B y1 x0.
Thank you. Perfect. You're going to go to your practice. And there are 25 problems only. This should take 10 seconds for each problem, so I don't see any problem on this one. All right. Is there any question for me? Yes, ma'am. Is there any question for me on this one? If not, go ahead, finish it, bring it to me so I can stamp it right away. All right.